Stop juggling a billion socket sizes. The HandPure Universal Socket Tool has got your back. This little marvel is the HandPure Universal Socket Tool. It fits standard and metric sizes from a tiny 1/4 inch to a sturdy 3/4 inch and even 7 mm to 19 mm. Got a damaged or weirdly shaped nut? No worries. This tool handles it all. Crafted from tough chrome vanadium steel, it's built to last through the toughest jobs. And guess what? It comes with a power drill adapter, making it compatible with most electric drills and screwdrivers. So, whether you're a homeowner, a DIY enthusiast, or a pro tradesperson, this is the gadget you didn't know you needed. Say goodbye to lugging around heavy socket sets. The HandPure Universal Socket Tool is the ultimate space saver and problem solver. Don't just take our word for it, give it a spin and see how it transforms your toolbox. Get yours today and become the handyman hero you were always meant to be. Cheers to simpler, smoother fixes. Keck link in the description.